Hey, what's up guys? I'm Dan H and welcome to the project. It is an absolutely gorgeous day. It is finally spring. We got the seats down in the General Grievous ZJ. We got a little tub and we got a bag full of tools. That could only mean one thing. We are on our way to the yard. We're gonna go pick some Jeep parts. Now, I was just there not too long ago. I got some WJ seats and I picked some other parts, but there's still a whole bunch of things I didn't get to go through, and it's early in the season. I want to make sure I get a good jump on the crowds and pick all the Jeep parts that I need before they all disappear for the summer. So yeah, we got ourselves a whole video of nothing but picking and yard searching coming at you. Oh geez, we got problems already. Are you serious? Well, that kind of sucked. But heck, 5 minutes extra on my commute to the junkyard is worth having a pothole-free road. Thank you guys for fixing the roads. Keep up the good work. Hopefully we won't have any more slowdowns. We made it. Yeah. All right, guys, I got a little list. We're gonna get right down to business. So I got these power seats from this 2004 Laredo, and what we're gonna do is, where are they? Aha! We need the seat connectors. So we got one already disconnected, and I'll go ahead and pluck all the rest. There we go. I'll take my seatbelt plug just in case. Here is the trim pieces for the seats, and we're gonna get all these seat bolts too, because you never know when you're gonna need the seat bolts. I'll go ahead and throw them in my tub. Seat bolts, more trim, and on the passenger side we need these little Christmas tree fasteners. That's why I like to pull my own parts. Again, can't complain, they got them out for me. It was a rainy day and I had stuff to do, so I gave them a list. They pulled my seats, but now we're collecting all the good stuff for them. Right, trim bolts, why not? And here we go, guys. This WJ had the Infinity Gold sound system. There we go. See it on the door cards. Here we got the factory amp. We got all these nice spare tire remover thingies still in play. Gonna take these factory jack storage. We'll make Green Hornet whole. Cool. And this WJ center console is pretty nice. Not too busted up. That's a good score, guys. This WJ has got some pretty good panels. Nice doors. The hood is in pretty good shape. Wonder if we could get this hood to my cousin. Nice. Good passenger side too. Here we go. The Onyx Green WJ. This is also 04. We got the cloth seats still in here. Pretty much unmolested. This one's bashed. Too bad. It's a nice passenger seat. Driver seats always get the shaft. Got some parts in here. Look at that. There we go. Fuel rail. A little rusty, not too shabby. Intake. What is this? There's the throttle body. There we go. Headrests. Rear interior panels. The door is gone, so if you want anything from this one, come get it right away before it rots. Skid pan's not too bad. Gas tank skid pan. Let's pop the hood. Well, somebody already got the head. Unfortunately, they already got to the PCM. Wonder if I could grab the Town and Country one. We'll have to see. But, yeah. Guess then I'm done with this guy. There's that vet again. Ugh, so sad. So sad. Here we go. Here's that Grand Cherokee again. Got this guy's seats. This is the 2001 Limited. Here we go. This is what I failed to get my first time. So once again, connectors. Very important to get the connectors. Let's get the seatbelt wire again. Keep these. And the passenger side. I'll grab this one too. Very, very important. Here we go. Let's see. Battle of the radio wires again. All this stuff is clipped. I probably did that. Doesn't hurt to get more. Hey, look at this. Is this the blend door repair? Yeah. This is actual duct tape. The metal kind. Yeah. Full access to the blend doors. Really hard to see. Oof. I guess it beats ripping out the whole entire dash, but that's a rough job. Rough job. Take my plugs. Again, doors aren't too bad on this guy. Except for this one. Let's gotta say it nice and straight. Oh, it sucks. This here yard just drops it right on their axles. I mean, this ain't the typical U-pull. We're supposed to have the yard technicians take everything for us. But anyway, onto this XJ. Oh, here it is. Here's the wheel. Man, I like this column. Could take the cruise control buttons and the old clock spring out of here, but it's been sitting up here in the weather. Man. Nice door panel. Nice bezel. I'm pretty particular about what you pull from XJs, so I'm not going to dismantle their steering column if they're trying to sell it as a whole. I'd have to ask them about it. But what we can do is keep it in here for safekeeping. That's what we'll do. Maybe one day we'll get the steering wheel buttons. Don't think it's going to be today. Here's that fender again. This fender's been teasing me for a long time. Let's got a little bit of rot down there, so that's why I've been passing on it. Let's see what's in here. OxyContin. Wellmeyer. Alright. These parts have also been taunting me, so I'm going to pull them. Now, I need a factory wiper so I could do my wiper mod video. I'm just fresh out of wipers, so we'll use this, refurbish it, put it on my XJ, and then we'll take it off to show you guys a video. Nice. This little license plate bezel, we're gonna grab that too. It still looks good. Oh, these are Torx. My mistake. Right, we're gonna go with the T25. Better. Oh, there's nothing left of this one. Oh, that's a shame. That ain't going anywhere. What a shame. All right. Coming back to the town and country from which I got the antenna cable for free. So let's see if I could grab the rest of that wire harness. No. Yes. It is very important to have the right tool for the job. It makes life so much easier. That's why I have a billion tools. There we go. Put you back and put you back. Ta-da! All right, let's grab this PCM and dang it, strike two. All right, here we go. I really wanted to test this old amp I found a couple weeks ago. It is still here. Excellent. All right, let me unplug this Banshee. Nice. Not bad of an install, really. Looking good. Here we go. Old school Rockford Fosgate. Made in the USA. That's what I like to see. You can't get quality like this anymore. Let's see. It's a 4-channel amp. Look at that. Thank you. Alright, there we go. Grab the amp, grab some wires. Man, these seats are still in really good condition. Very soft. No rips, no tears. Somebody please get these seats. Alright. Goodbye, Grand Cherokee. One last look under here. See what's left. Everything. Wow. Nighty night. Alright, here's what's up. Not a huge fan of Chevys, but This 95 two-door Tahoe is badass, guys. Man, this would be cool driving around these days. A nice restored Tahoe. This thing's the balls right here. Nice tow hooks. This thing's good to go. All right, here we go. 2002 Town and Country. It's probably my last hope to find a PCM that will work with the good old RB1 Nav. We got a little project I'm gonna rig up. Dang it. I think it was cut again. Man, I am striking out on these PCMs. Gee whiz. Oh well. Nothing else I want from you. Stow and go. Right, Eric? Alright guys, that's it. Short one at the yard today. Whew, it is hot. I am sweating, but it feels good. Warm weather coming around the corner. Get to experiment with some Jeep stuff. Now that RB1 navigation unit that I got is gonna get jimmy jammed into Project Wreck J. Not that I need a navigation unit and an old XJ, especially an old navigation unit, but I want to try to get the navigation to function in an XJ. Now, I know it's been done. There has been a video done on it about 10 years ago. No offense, it's really poor quality, but you know, that guy who did it, props to you. You're a genius for accomplishing it. I just wish that the video was a little bit better quality. So I'm gonna try to implement some WJ technology in an XJ. I think I will start by getting the nav unit to work, the old RB1, jimmy jammed into the XJ, Wreck J, and that's just gonna be the tip of the iceberg, because if I could successfully integrate the PCI bus technology into the CCD system of an XJ, I'm gonna have a lot of awesome mods coming on Beach Jeep. I'm gonna utilize the miles per gallon, the outside air temperature, the factory WJ tire pressure monitoring system. Yeah, all that good stuff. Got it to work on the bench already, so I'd love to just pop that into an XJ. So I'm gonna be searching for some parts here and there. Gonna need a PCM for a vehicle that was equipped with the RB1 Nav. Then I could do some swapping and mismatching and all that good stuff. So yeah, just gonna close this one out now. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Stick around for some interesting little doodads and mods for Project Wreck J. Basically anything goes for that thing. Sky's the limit. Whatever you guys want to see, I will do. Let's go crazy on Wreck J. So that's it, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next project. Peace.